Hello, my name is Aurika Savitskaite. I'm a co-founder of helmet-based ventilation, and today I will show you a new product on the market. It's non-powered oxygen tent made by Laser Max Defense Power of Light Corporation from New York State. And I had the pleasure to talk with the CEO of the company, Susan Hood-Walter, and she explained a lot of things about their product and how it was designed and the reasons why they chose certain materials and certain design features for this device. Here what we kept in mind when we were developing this product. So the name of the product is VYATIL. It's the, like I said, non-powered oxygen tent, and we did look at a few important things. So one of them is that the patient has to use it for a long time, for over 2 weeks sometimes, and that's what the Italians noticed. And so for that reason we made the tent very comfortable for the patient. The next important feature for it is the safe material that is used. So there is no PVC and there is no latex. Also, it should be easy for clinicians to access the patient's face. You can get to the patient's face in less than 3 seconds because of the zipper that is on the top of the tent. Also, the tent is made from a soft material, so it's easy for patients to change the position and be prone. So here is a nice picture of it, and I will show you how it looks here. So as I mentioned, it is a silicone neck seal. It's very strong. It has some guidelines how to cut the neck seal so it can be adjusted based on the patient's neck size. We're using off-the-shelf products, so you can see there's a simple ring. It's a hard ring. It is a smaller diameter ring comparing to the other hoods that are on the market. And the material, the tent itself, is very soft. It's very soft, it's comfortable, and it doesn't obstruct any view. And to demonstrate it better, we're gonna need to inflate so you can see exactly what I mean by that. And here is our input port for the air, and it's in the back of the tent. The reason of it is so it's more comfortable, it doesn't get in the way when the patient is moving, and also it is less noisy for the patient. It's not going straight in your ear. And this is our exit port. So you want to make sure you use the viral and bacterial filter. There is a connector for the PEEP valve. Also, this is our patient access port. It's nice that you can open the cap, and this is a small hole that can be used for the straw, to insert the straw so patient can take oral fluids, or it can be removed in case if you need a quick suctioning. And as I mentioned before, here is the zipper. The seal is very good around the zipper, so there it was tested under the high pressure, and there is no air leak around the zipper. Now I will demonstrate you how to put it on. You want to make sure that the zipper is open. And for the input, as I showed in my previous videos, you have to make sure that it is connected to the wall gases. Here is a setup that I explained in the previous videos. You want to make sure that the flow is no less than 60 liters per minute. All right. To put the tent on a patient, you want to make sure you have 2 people. Here we have, all right. So why is my suggestion to have 2 people? because it is much smoother transition. It's easier for the clinician and for the patient. Okay? Because when you're stretching the neck seal, there is nothing that it's bumping in the patient's head, and if the patient has any tubing, nothing gonna get dislocated. So as you can see here, the neck seal feels comfortable, not too tight, and my neck is pretty small. It's 13 inches, so this is a very small size. You have your arm straps ready to adjust. It's easy to adjust. It's like easy snap on, snap off clips. And it is very important that you have it ready for the patient, and I will show you in a minute why. So when everything is comfortable and you have your gases flowing and patient is ready, and definitely you want to make sure that there is no hair in the way, you know, nothing that can obstruct the view. Okay, and now we're gonna close the zipper. As you can see, it inflates very quickly, and the tent is going up. And when it goes up, I have a neck seal issue here. And it's normal. It's happening with every hood, every helmet. This is why we need to have arm straps to place, to push the tent down. And that's gonna help with the neck seal. As you can see now, when I push it down, there is no leak around the neck seal. Okay? So if you have any issues with the neck seal, you wanna make sure that you adjust the arm straps. Again, you want to make sure the neck seal, it's comfortable, okay? It's not too tight. If it's too tight, you take scissors and you cut it based on the patient's neck, okay? So I'm gonna just make sure there is no air leak, nothing is obstructing the neck seal, okay? You make sure you adjust the arm straps so there is no air leak. And when we will lay back, below, what is nice about this ring, because it's smaller, so it doesn't push the tent forward. This neck seal can be a little bit smaller for me. Just like I said, I have a small neck. So make sure that you order the smaller size for your patient, especially if you have like a petite small lady or people with the thin necks. They will need the small size because that's going to help to seal the leak. Okay. So again, nothing is pressing. The only one pressure that I feel is the underarm. And to reduce that, there are certain things that you can do. Also, you can cross it in the back. But otherwise, I have a very clear view and feels very comfortable. So thank you very much for making this product, and also thinking about the other treatments that can be used for the patient, like proning. To prone the patient, we can use just a simple foam, like a proning pillow, that you can put inside of the tent. So when the patient lays on the stomach, the head can rest on it comfortably. Okay, so with this proning pillow, you can lay flat
It's better not to use any pillow because that's gonna be comfortable. And here we go. Also, you want to make sure you adjust so there is no air leak. This neck field can be smaller for me. Like I said, I probably need kid size. So thank you very much. And I hope very soon a lot of physicians will be trying it on patients and give us feedback and help to fight this pandemic. Thank you.